right, this is video 3 of lesson 8, and we're just going to recap some of the things that we talked about in this lesson. The distributive property, right? This is the distributive property, and distribute means to pass out. So we might say, could you distribute the journals to the students? Could you distribute the food to the people? And this is a really useful property because what it shows us is that we can pass out the number to the different parts. So here you see 24 times 40, something we worked on earlier, right? And we know that we can break 24 into 20 and 4, right? So here's your 20 and here's your 4, right? Maybe we could highlight those. 4 and 20. Where's my highlighter? There it is. Okay. So 20 plus 4. All right. So I took my 24 times 40. I changed my 24 to 20 plus 4 times 40. And then I distributed that 4 to each part of the problem. Sorry, that 40. So I distributed the 40 to the 20 and I distributed the 40 to the 4, right? Do you see how I've got to multiply it by both parts? I can't just multiply it by 20. I have to multiply it by 20 and 4. And if you think about our multiplication, right, whether we're doing the break apart strategy, break apart and distribute, or we're doing standard algorithm, or we're doing area model, we are multiplying the 40 times each part. Okay, so think about all those different models that we worked on today and look at how the 40 or the unit, right? This is the unit. Look at how it is being distributed to the two parts. Okay, that's one thing I wanted to talk about. And then one more thing we're going to talk about right here in one of our slides. There we go. Okay, this is the problem that we probably talked about in person in class, and maybe today or maybe on a different day. The question was, would the product change if our unit was 122 and we instead showed 41 122s? Oops, sorry about that. Let me get that back for you. So I guess I'll use this pen. Okay, so could I do 122 41s? That's what this one is, right? 122 41s. But the question was, could I do 41 122s, right? So that would make our tape diagram look different because our 122s would be in here and our 41 would be out here. We'd have 41 of these. And that was the question at the beginning. And hopefully, if you said no, you have now reevaluated because of the commutative property. We can have 41 122s or we can have 122 41s, either way. All right. Great job on math today, everybody. Thanks for paying attention. Awesome job. And that's the end of lesson 8 videos. Thanks for paying attention. Aloha.